Welcome to Jim's Kitchen. It's time to try a vintage Thanksgiving recipe. It's for candied yams, but it uses squirt. Do you like this stuff? I'm not a fan, but let's make these yams. In a pan, we need 12 ounces of squirt. That's also a can of squirt if you can find one. 2 cups of brown sugar. You need to cut up an unpeeled lemon and an unpeeled orange and put those in the pan. We're gonna bring that to a boil and then let it simmer for about 15 minutes to thicken. I have a large can of yams, yippee, that I'm putting in a prepared baking dish. Those were drained. I'm gonna pour this sauce through a sieve over those sweet potatoes. And this will get cooked in a 350-degree oven for a little over 30 minutes. Squirt has been around since 1938. It was created by Herb Bishop in Phoenix, Arizona. I think that I dislike squirt because grapefruit is my least favorite fruit, and it's a grapefruit soda. In 1941, they created the mascot. It's a little boy named Lil Squirt. Squirt candied yams. It's not like grapefruit overpower. They definitely have a fruity-ish taste. They're sweet too. They're candied yams. A while ago I went to the store and bought some self-rising flour, but it's still sitting on the floor where I left it.